This video is going to show you the operation of RAD7 for 8-hour radon assessment. Radon, a radioactive gas diffusing into indoor air from building materials or from soil gas, has been found to cause lung cancer in underground miners. 8-hour radon is one of the IAQ parameters that should be assessed in public places served by MVAC systems. Other than continuous monitoring of radon in air, RAD7 can also be used for sniffing for radon or fluoride, testing air grab samples, measuring radon in water, and testing soil gas. Before starting the test, we need to purge RAD7 outdoor for its inner chamber to be free from moisture and the radon gas remaining from previous use. Unplug the small tubing from the air inlet knob. Connect the air inlet knob to the long yellow tubing through the white inlet filter. Remove the yellow cap at the lower end of the desiccant and connect the other end of the yellow tubing to the desiccant. Remove the remaining yellow cap. Keep the two caps well for later use. Switch on RAD7 and wait until test is displayed. Click Enter to select Test, and find Purge under Test by pressing the right arrow button 4 times, and then click Enter again. You should hear the pump start. RAD7 is pumping air into its chamber through the desiccant and exhausts it through the outlet. After 5 minutes of purging, click the right arrow button to see Yes, and click Enter to stop the purge. Today we are going to use RAD7 to check 8-hour radon level in a 6 square meter room. The room has been fully closed from 12 hours before measurement. Put RAD7 near the center of the room. Make sure the air intake is at least 75 cm above the floor and away from the walls, ventilation outlet, windows, and direct sunlight. Connect RAD7 to DC power supply. Now let's choose the user-defined 8-hour measurement protocol. At Test, click the right arrow button twice and then press Enter twice to select Protocol under Setup. Press arrows to find User, and then press Enter to confirm. With the switched on infrared printer, click the right button twice and then Enter to select Test. Press the right arrow once and then Enter to start our measurement. The LCD display shows this measurement's one number in RAD7's memory, and the current cycle number. We will have 96 and each covers 5 minutes when the measurement ends. This is the total number of radon count from the beginning of the current cycle, and we also have the countdown time for each of them. At the end of the measurement, the printer will give you the end of one printout, which includes average value of the test, bar chart of the individual readings, and the cumulative alpha energy spectrum. If you are interested in the results of each individual cycle, hit Menu at the end of the measurement, and then press the right arrow and Enter to select Data. Press the right arrow and Enter to choose Print. When the correct number of 1 is displayed, press Enter to start printing. This image is showing the data of each 5-minute cycle. So this is the end of the video.